Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Soge omwancho muligeli bwegetase nambe mugiye Nsoko TV andonsi ya soro sumu basobono kukwaligania gocha semesa ya mayeri tukomanya yagendete kokolekana kurwa chinsemo anamono kurwa soro ngo rwitu rwagusi kurwa seke county ya Kisii ni gobono uyo kabero mona chebina asike kambere kenene Muske David Maraga aikiranire asumusangire kano linda mwananchi uyo gendeta sensemeli ya Kitutu Chache South ya sababu miranaso mubagani wa mugurunga Monarch kurwabua habara yabumbabe bakogenda ase kibara nimbengo chikukumanya gati ya mayali tobwata asumu basobono chinguru ku Innocent Onyango genda gotobwatia ase mitandao itoye kijamii na gotobwatia sensemeli ya YouTube na Nsoko TV nonya ninche bene na bokumbwati bina Innocent Onyango sensemo ya Facebook ube kokonyora a live link. Kire mwancho muligeli tuko chaka na mangana alinda mwananchi asumu basobona barayabu balinda mwananchi bale asumu sangerekano bugo sangerelia chibesa echuchugo sira abangina na nemono kwetera sebyombe sechinsemo cha Kitutu Chache South igati ya barayibu na lina batebi mwancho muligeli no yokabero muna chebina asekegambere kenene umuske David Maraga na boyigo mugabana we county ya Sia James Orengo mugabana we county ya Muranga Irungu Kangata na barayibande kurwa asorogongo Rwagusi.
Nasikitika sana iko kijana ambao PS ambaye anaitwa Fikirini alimtumia kumobilize vijana akampatia 10,000 vijana wagawane vijana 60 akipelekea vijana wakamwambia hii haitoshi akirudi kwa PS wakampiga risasi wakamuua. Tuendelee na Kenya namna hiyo jamani? Aende asiende? Aende asiende? Aende asiende?
Kisii hoye! Kisii hoye! Wamama hai! Wamama hai! Vijana hai! Vijana tumin! Vijana ria! Sisi ndio Sifuna!
Chimutweki ombegetende toba cholime yense IEBC bono kyabulira abasaiko beko mulembe nabo igo gwetanga kurwa ase bikoro byo bosali chinga kiense erange guchikogenda busyo bwo choli bwo mwaka bw'ikirubero 2022 umukomishona Alutalala Muhwana nigo boigo asemiri abasayo na enyencho nero yo gwaka chikura iliyo kubeka barayi balia baganetie ase birogo na nemono ase chiabisi.
Watu wa kisiasa wakome kuwa ni wenye kuwasajili vijana katika kushiriki uhuni. Kwa sababu unaposhiriki katika uhuni unavunja sheria. Na iwapo hatutaweza kusimamisha uhuni, hali ya uchaguzi haitakuwa nzuri. Wamama wataogopa kuja kupiga kura, vijana wengi watakuwa wako jela wakati wa kura kwa kushiriki uhuni, na kura kwa ujumla haitakuwa na idadi nzuri.
IEBC has the teeth. Let them bite and bite hard. Anyone who is causing difficulties to the country organizing itself and having a peaceful election does not deserve to be on the ballot. So we know that there are levels of, sanctions, but we want to ask IEBC to go for the most painful sanction to the parties and to the
na IEBC komiti y'ebunge yasabire bono abateneli beki wizara gutumika kibesa cyemiro bilyo namagendero yense buya abajumba abo nigo bayakwaniraya ekero murayibwensa cyakiri obutukibwe bitabu byekibesa cyeserekali nigo bayakwanetaba ya ekera baliya bakorukunga abateneli beki wizara bayigete bosyo bwe komiti y'ebunge.
Why is it that when projects that are funded outside the GOK funding, either money is returned under absorption, those kind of stories, but when it is GOK money, they even overspend?
The reality is there was a reflection concerning KIOP. There was a major reflection concerning KIOP. The project that succeeded KIOP is Nyota. I think we can all bear witness to the fact that money has been utilized to the maximum, on Yota.
Chair, you see, my issue is when money is given by World Bank or entities like those, they actually charge interest. So when you return the money, we've already paid interest for it. So we have double loss. We did not utilize the money, we did not gain value, and we have paid as a country. So when we do this, and then you have projects where only 39% under absorption, then where are we headed? Can't we then just stop all these fundings and use our exchequer?
If you came outside there on the street and you tell somebody that World Bank gave us money, and in one way or another we did not use and returned, even if it was you on the street and another PS is talking, you would really wonder. So
Kiwa be skuru ya baisike ya utumishi iyo gotoka chinsemo cya girigiri iki kiri ase county ya Nakuru niko bairana ase skuru mayega yigikakia umutumuko bwa matuko gwetani 38 kubwatekana no murero yo osambete aboroke gwetani 15 na gutiga anabande ni chingoma habaiboli yabo baikiranta ase skuru eyo nigo baenekiri amaonchorerie ayu aberega okorekana gochia sama gacho nabo igokobekwa kwa mochoko ase skuru eyo.
Walete watoto kwa sababu hata ukiingia katika dormitories zenye zimetengenezwa temporary ziko sawa kabisa na ni siku kadhaa siku kidogo.
We just made sure that we were very close to her and we never gave her time just to stay alone. So most of the time we were together just to make sure that she feels that love that she needs.
A lot has been put in place to make sure that all children as they come, that they find their places to learn, the tuition facilities, and also because it's a boarding school, that there are places for them to sleep.
What I'm made to understand is that they'll be here for some time, and that will help our daughters to be able to settle, because that post-traumatic kind of depression is what we really need to be managed.
We've also made arrangements for the grade 10s who will be housed in the other remaining dormitory and part of the library and other 2 classrooms that have been converted to be dormitories.
Nimeridhika, nimetembea huko ndani na nikaona hata dormitory ambao watoto wetu wamepelekwa ambayo walikuwa kitumia kama dining.
Obungo Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro mochiria serikali asekelia tebire nigo yabeire yobosoku asogochera abasaiba gens chingaki bakenya bagendete kwamiriri obuteneri bwa serikali nebikorwa byobukurumi Ndindi niga yakwanira ya asomoyega bwokorwa chibasel chogosira chisemi asensemo ya yebunge ya Kiharu.
Why is it that when projects are funded outside the GOK funding, either money is returned under absorption, those kind of stories, but when it is GOK money, they even overspend?
The reality is,
siku hizi wahuni wanaenda mpaka kanisani kama vile tuliona All Saints. Kama askari wako hapo wamepewa orders na wakubwa wao waachane na hao wahuni. Nchi ambayo ilikuwa inapeleka askari kule Haiti kupigana na uhalifu kama hii na Gunism, ndio tu serikali yenyewe inafanya kazi kama Gunism. It is a very big shame. Na ni vizuri wajue, for any country to thrive, peace is very important. And we have a situation in the country where the disturbance of peace is coming from the government itself. Hatujawahi ona wakati mwingine kama huo, ati mnakuja mkutano, mnaenda siasa, ati fujo ile inatokea sio ya raia, ni serikali na wakubwa wa serikali wanatuma wahuni kuleta fujo. I think that is very wrong. Na Wakenya ni vizuri tukemee hiyo maneno, because we will not allow a few people to take our country into that slippery path.
Na omwelio mubere buyo kabiro muraiwe kerengo kegoro imeyense ya Iran kameni ayatola ikiwe imeyo mucho omonene bwense yo Tehran aso sabiro kameni niga asiriti bwimabwaye chinga kense America na Israel chia koleto bosaga ni bobwamo chisegie cyo nigo cherire magoli ya amaguta gokina naboigo ebintu binde okina na biro byo asa magoli imeyo boiko bwense.
فليقاتل في سبيل الله الذين يشرون الحياة الدنيا بالآخرة ومن يقاتل في سبيل الله فيقتل أو يغلب فسوف نؤتيه فليقاتل في سبيل الله
kurwa bwa somo cyo yote herani mwanchu murigeli no togikira umuyo mwali wa maya chinsa isana ibire nane monongo otabinga chiko 10 Ishmael ngo cyale gaiga abega okumanyinga ninki kegendete gakolekana kurwa chinsemo ane mono aserumbeyo yalinda mwana inchi ebereta somo basoyo chenguru ku Innocent Onyango kokuganelia mu basomo ya nyasakulende
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso, Bumugu.